Labia injury, what to do and what not to do. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that doesn't often get the attention it deserves, and that's labia injuries. Yeah, you heard me right. It's a sensitive subject, but it's important, and I'm here to break it down in a way that's engaging, relatable, and most importantly, informative. So, let's get into it. First off, labia injuries can happen for a variety of reasons. Whether it's from rough sexual activity, an accident during sports, or even childbirth. These injuries can be painful and uncomfortable. And let's face it, talking about our bodies can feel awkward, but it's crucial to address these issues openly and honestly. So, if you've ever experienced something like this, know that you're not alone and it's okay to seek help. Now, if you find yourself in a situation where you've injured your labia, the first thing to remember is to stay calm. Panic can make everything feel worse, and trust me, your body can sense that stress. Take a deep breath and assess the situation. Is it a minor scrape or tear, or does it look more serious? If it's just a small cut, you might be able to handle it at home, but if it's bleeding heavily or you're in severe pain, it's time to seek medical attention. Don't hesitate. Your health is the priority here. For those minor injuries, there are a few things you can do to help yourself heal. First, keep the area clean. Gently wash with mild soap and water. Don't go overboard with scrubbing. Your body is pretty good at healing itself, but it needs a clean environment to do so. After cleaning, you can apply a soothing ointment if you have one, but avoid anything with strong fragrances or harsh chemicals. You want to keep it simple and gentle. Now, let's talk about what not to do. This is super important. Do not use hydrogen peroxide or alcohol on the area. I know it might seem like a good idea to disinfect, but these can actually irritate the skin and make healing take longer. Also, avoid tight clothing. I get it. Sometimes we want to look cute, but when you're dealing with an injury, comfort is key. Loose-fitting underwear and breathable fabrics will help you feel better and allow your body to heal without unnecessary friction. Another big no-no is jumping back into sexual activity too soon. I know it can be tempting, especially if you're feeling better, but give your body the time it needs to heal. Engaging in sexual activity before you're fully healed can lead to more serious injuries or infections. Listen to your body. It knows what it needs. If you're unsure, consult a healthcare professional before resuming any sexual activity. Speaking of healthcare professionals, don't shy away from reaching out for help. If you're feeling embarrassed or worried about what a doctor might think, remember that they've seen it all. They're there to help you, not judge you. If your injury doesn't seem to be healing, or if you notice any unusual symptoms like persistent pain, swelling, or discharge, it's definitely time to get checked out. It's better to be safe than sorry. Now, let's touch on emotional well-being. Experiencing a labia injury can be distressing, and it's okay to feel a little off afterward. Your body has gone through something, and it's normal to need time to process that. Talk to someone you trust about how you're feeling, whether it's a friend, partner, or therapist. Opening up can help you feel more supported and less isolated. And while we're on the topic of support, let's not forget the importance of education. Knowing more about your body can empower you and help you make informed decisions about your health. So, take the time to read up on female anatomy, understand what's normal and what's not. Knowledge is power, and it can also help you feel more confident in discussing any issues that arise. Lastly, let's break the stigma surrounding these conversations. Labia injuries, like any other health issue, deserve to be talked about openly. The more we discuss these topics, the more normalized they become, and the less shame we'll feel when we experience them. So, don't be afraid to share your experiences or ask questions. We're all in this together, and supporting each other is what it's all about. So, to wrap things up, if you ever find yourself dealing with a labia injury, remember to stay calm, keep it clean, avoid irritating substances, Give yourself time to heal, and don't hesitate to seek help if you need it. Let's continue to support one another and break down the barriers around discussing women's health issues. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need to hear this. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.